Today I'm going to show you for my money the best way to make wings, smoked and then fried. These are the most delicious wings in the world. First, trim up your wings. You're going to separate the tip from the flat and then cut the skin away from the drum that connects the drum to the flat. Finally, slowly cutting into the joint between the drum and the flat, you're going to start to expose the joint. Cut under the round part at the kind of butt of the drum. You'll see here the drum has a nice like rounded joint there. You're going to want to cut under that. And then you can trim off a little bit of extra skin if you want. A little bit faster here, trim off any extra skin. I already took the tip off, cut away the skin from the drum, and then slowly here I'm cutting away the joint, into the joint, getting underneath that bone from the drum, separating from the flat. Boom. Once you get in a good rhythm, you're going to be flying through these wings looking like the Usain Bolt of trimming up wings. If you don't want to trim the wings, you could go the coward's way out and just get them pre-trimmed, already in flats and drums at your supermarket, but I prefer this way because it builds character. After the wings are all trimmed, throw them in a nice big bowl and toss in olive oil. Don't go crazy here, just enough to cover the wings. That's going to serve as the binder for your rub. Do your rub of choice. I did a honey hog barbecue here from Meat Church. You're going to want to put the rub on probably about a tablespoon, 3 tablespoons at a time. Toss the wings and repeat until they're nice and covered at an amount that makes you happy. I did it here probably 6 times. Maybe it was 5, maybe it was 7. You can rewind and count here, but I just did it to my heart's content until I was comfortable with the seasoning of the wings. Once they're all seasoned, throw them on your smoker at 225 for an hour and a half. There's no flipping or anything. Just throw them on, leave them on for an hour and a half, take them back off. You're ready for the next step, which is frying. It's going to create a super crisp wing. For the frying, I recommend a cast iron pan because it's going to hold the heat well. You're also going to need a thermometer because you want the oil to be at 350. You're going to want to be careful here that it's not on the way from 350 up to 400 or getting hotter than that. You want it to be a consistent 350. Put the wings in, do a minute to a minute and a half on each side until they're cooked through. They reach the temperature of 165 for cooked chicken. And all it is a minute to a minute and a half on each side. You're ready to go. Here you can see I started out with 6 wings, and there's plenty of room in that pan. I always start small, and then I get more and more impatient. Next thing you know, throw in about a dozen wings like I have here, and it's totally fine. So don't worry about speeding up the process. You can put in as many wings as basically will fit into your pan. Again, as you fry them, just be mindful of your temperature. You want it to be 350 consistently all the way through the cook. Once the wings are done, throw them on a wire rack over something that will catch any of the excess oil dripping. It shouldn't be that much coming off the wings, but you don't want to get it all over your kitchen. Finally, toss it in a little bit more of your rub, and you're good to go. These are the best wings in the world. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel to see similar content. We're doing a 1,000 follower t-shirt giveaway. One lucky fan is going to get a t-shirt. It won't be branded the channel or anything. It's just a random one from my closet.